Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Hola amigos, soy IRL Noella, which means hello friends. I'm IRL Noella in Spanish. Since Legacy Annie talked about the peeing sound effect from P3T in Season 1 Episode 13, I'm going to preview it. The video was uploaded 10 months ago on December 20th, 2024, and it's also from a video called Almost Made It. No, she didn't. Gotcha BW/sound. The music box will be removed at the beginning and end, and I'm going to show you what it will sound like. Previewing the sound effect in 3, 2, 1. Alright, very nice. This peeing sound effect is only used for my characters and OCs when they pee in the toilet. It was used for both male and female. Please give credit to P3T before using her sound effect, and I'm linking the video right here. The sound effect from this video starts at 0:36 and ends at 0:46. And I will see you later in the next episode.